Welcome to Door County Drone. As the final weeks of the Great Lakes shipping season unfold, a familiar transition begins to take shape. The pace slows, the days shorten, and the inland seas prepare for winter. In Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, that seasonal change is marked not by the calendar, but by steel hulls and quiet harbors. One by one, the freighters that powered another year of commerce make their way toward rest. Leading the way into winter layup for 2026 is a ship well known across the lakes, the freighter James R. Barker. Her arrival is more than symbolic. As the first vessel to enter layup at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding, the James R. Barker signals the official close of another shipping season. It is a moment watched closely by mariners, shipyard workers, and the local community alike, a reminder that the cycle of the lakes continues, just as it always has. Built in 1976, the James R. Barker was designed for one purpose: to move iron ore efficiently and reliably from the upper lakes to the steel mills of the lower Great Lakes. At 1,004 feet long, she represents a generation of ships built for endurance, power, and longevity. Her profile is instantly recognizable, her presence unmistakable. Over the decades, she has earned a reputation not through spectacle, but through consistency. Season after season, voyage after voyage, she has delivered the raw materials that fuel industry. Through heavy weather, thick fog, and narrow passages, she has remained steady, a true working ship of the Great Lakes. As she approaches Sturgeon Bay, the urgency of the shipping season fades. This is no longer about speed or schedules. This is about precision, coordination, and experience. Tugboats ease her into position. Dock crews stand ready. Lines are passed, secured, and set, each step executed with practiced confidence. For generations, Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding has served as a winter refuge for the Great Lakes fleet. When ice closes the shipping lanes and storms dominate the open water, this harbor becomes a place of shelter, maintenance, and preparation. Every winter, dozens of vessels will call this port home. But the first arrival always carries special significance. This year, that honor belongs to the James R. Barker. As her engines fall silent and shore power takes over, the transition is complete. The long runs are over. The wheelhouse grows quiet. The ship that spent months in constant motion now enters a season of stillness. The infamous Barker's bark, once echoing across harbors and shorelines, will be silent until spring. Winter layup is not simply a pause. It is a vital part of the life of a Great Lakes freighter. During the months ahead, the James R. Barker will be carefully inspected from bow to stern. Hull work, machinery maintenance, and system upgrades will take place, each task ensuring she remains ready for the demands of another season. Skilled shipyard trades will move aboard: welders, electricians, mechanics, painters, all contributing to the quiet, behind-the-scenes work that keeps these vessels operational year after year. It is work that often goes unseen, yet it is essential to the continued success of Great Lakes shipping. For the crew, winter layup marks a different kind of transition. After months aboard, they step ashore, knowing the ship is secure and well cared for. When spring returns, many will come back, reuniting with a vessel that feels less like machinery and more like an old companion. To the community of Sturgeon Bay, the arrival of the winter fleet is both tradition and livelihood. The ships bring energy to the waterfront even in the coldest months, and each arrival reinforces the city's deep connection to maritime industry. The James R. Barker, arriving first, once again becomes part of that story. There is a certain calm that settles over the harbor once the ship is tied up. The water reflects steel and sky. The urgency of summer is gone, replaced by patience and preparation. This is not the end of the journey, only a necessary pause. Because when the ice finally releases its grip on the lakes, when daylight stretches longer, and the call comes to sail once more, the James R. Barker will answer. Her engines will turn, her horn will sound again, and she will return to the routes she knows so well, carrying the weight of industry across open water. Until then, she rests here, first in for Winter Layup 2026 at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. A proven ship, a quiet harbor, and the enduring rhythm of the Great Lakes, waiting for spring. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.